Hello and welcome to the fragrant world of Melanie Jane. Today I'm going to share with you an old recipe that I actually found in a vintage book, and I was reading about it the other day and I thought, who remembers cold cream? Well, I don't, because I'm not old enough, but my wonderful friend Heather, she remembers cold cream. And she is a real fan of it, she said, and I think they used to use it, the old Hollywood glamorous movie stars used to use it, and they would put it on their face at night, but they would also use it to take off their makeup. It's a very thick, gloopy cream, and it's got just 4 ingredients. I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's really simple. I'm going to run through this really quickly. So first of all, we need, and I've got everything measured out already just to save time. So I've got 120 mils of almond oil. Again, I'm going to be using my Bain Marie or my double boiler to do this. We're going to be using beeswax. Remember, I've told you in another video how emollient beeswax is. It's very nourishing for your skin, really moisturizing. It's a great thing to use at night. So in that, we've got the beeswax. We've got 15 grams of the beeswax, and the recipe is actually down below as well as the method, if you like, as well. So we're going to put the beeswax in there too. That's fabulous. And now we have got just that. We're going to go over to the boiler now. We're going to melt this, and then we're going to add some rose water and some rose essential oil. That's it, just 4 ingredients. I'm going to show you how to make it really quickly. So now we have our oil and beeswax, just 2 ingredients, all melted beautifully. We're going to have to move quickly. Now what I have rose water, and I'm going to add this. This is at room temperature. If you have it cold, then it's not really going to work. I'm going to put it on the scales here. And what I'm going to do is, as I'm adding the rose water, I'm going to use this. This is like 5 dirham whisk. It's actually a coffee whisk from IKEA, and it's one of my best friends when it comes to mixing lotions and potions, and I love it. So this is rose water. Rose water is actually the byproduct of distilling rose petals, and this is where Rose Otto comes from. It takes 36 roses to make a single drop of Rose Otto, and we're going to be putting 6 to 10 drops. If we put 10 drops, that's going to be 360 roses. So I'm going to start whisking, and then I'm going to start pouring the rose water into the mixture. Now, because this is cold and this is hot, it's going to start solidifying. So it's really important to keep whisking and slowly, slowly add the water. Oh, it's coming thick now. It's coming all quite nice and creamy. It's going really well. I'm really pleased with this. Absolutely fabulous. There we go. Let's keep whisking. And can you see now? It's really, really creamy. And now I'm going to add some of the Rose Otto. What do you say? I'm making this actually for Heather. So I'm going to give her 10 drops. I know, I'm so generous. 360 roses just for you, Heather. 5, 6. Oh, just 1 more for good luck. So I've got the Rose Otto in there. Now, the best Rose Otto that you can get, now this is done by steam distillation. If you've been to one of my classes or you've seen my other online videos, you'll know what steam distillation is. It's a bit like steaming vegetables, and all the wonderful aromatic parts come out of the plant. And with the roses, they use the petals. And this is a beautiful creamy consistency. Rose oil is really beneficial for skincare, and they've been using it for centuries, the rose oil, and it helps with cell regeneration. So it's used a lot in beauty products. So that's why I love this product. Can you see this absolutely gorgeous consistency now? So that's it. Oh, it smells absolutely divine. Make sure that there's no lumps or bumps in there. And then I'm going to turn off the whisk and really invest in one of these whisks. And then I'm going to put it in this great big pot. Can you see this beautiful consistency now? And I'm just going to pour it into here like this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I'm so pleased with that. It's a great big pot. And then we can get some, I can use a spoon and I can scoop the rest out, or I think I'll just dive right into it and rub it all over my face, once I've taken my makeup off, of course, and all over my arms, because it's really nourishing and gorgeous. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to give this to my friend Heather. I hope she's not disappointed that the pot's half empty. But anyway, what I'll do is, if you wanted to, because it's quite liquid, because obviously it's still a little bit warm, I'm going to put it into the fridge to set just a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little love label and a little ribbon on it for her as a beautiful gift. Yeah, that's it. Then she can just smother that all over her face at night time, or use it to take off her makeup. So that's it. A rose cold cream with just 4 ingredients. You're welcome.